Oh yeah, you guys already know. I had to do unboxing on this guy, my favorite keyboard. I've had it for about a year, but I'm gonna finally do an unboxing on it. And yeah, it's the Frozen Llama Ducky 2 Mini, baby. And look at this, baby. It's looking nice, clean. You already know, guys, I'm on Twitch. Playing, vibing out. Make sure to give me a follow if you guys want to give me a support. I'll throw the link down in the description. And make sure to sub to the channel if you guys are loving the content, loving the videos I've been putting up. I've been putting a lot of hard work into everything, guys, and I'm really just trying to like put that content out and make sure that it's crispy clean for you guys. So if you guys are enjoying the content and are excited about this unboxing, let me know. Comment down below, what kind of keyboard do you guys have? What kind of keyboard do you guys like gaming with? I know this is a 60% keyboard, and I personally love 60% because it doesn't take up my entire desk, and that's my preference. But I know a lot of people like the full keyboard vibes, and I totally get you. No worries at all. But let's get to it. Let's do a quick unboxing on this. I'll let you guys know my review on it, and I just, forewarning, I love this keyboard, guys. It's the crap, guys. I love it. It's amazing. It's beautiful, guys. Look at the box. Just let alone the box. Gotta keep the box because of this. Look how nice it is. Look how nice.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me. You better what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you better what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up, matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. I'm like cop a farm and go act up. Like the scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car, take it tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you better what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you better what? Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up, matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up, matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Love this keyboard, guys. I told you. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Every single time I look at the color combination, I can't get enough. Let me just talk about what was in the box really quick. So it came with a USB-C cable, super standard, you already know. USB-C, white cable, nothing braided or anything, not anything cool, too specific on that one. But it did come with these awesome keycaps, which are super nice. Oh my goodness, I definitely had to trade these out and use them up because they're sick. They're super cool. Like, I personally love them. Look at that. So that'll give it a really nice, unique look. Really excited to switch those out. And of course, you get the key taker outer. I forget what it's called. Oh my gosh, I should definitely have done my research. But yes, this just allows you to get the keys out, clean out the keyboard, exchange your keys. And this is super nice touch. I love how it's the color of the keyboard as well. Love that. And purple's my second favorite color. Orange is like my first, so it's really hard, but love the purple accents on the keyboard. You guys, check this out. It's super lit up right now. I love it. Just gonna pull on this bad guy really quick, but look at that. Super nice, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it. Love, love, love this keyboard, guys. I love the 60% layout. The clicks sound super good. I have red silence switches on them right now, and they are fantastic. I really like them because they're super quiet. You guys can see they're super quiet, so they're great for streaming. When I'm on there, I do not hear my keyboard going clack, 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 clack. And I hate that. Like, there's nothing worse than like just playing with a teammate and you can hear his voice, you can hear the flipping dogs in the background, and you can hear his keyboard just clanking all around like, hello. Get red silent switches. Like, what is good with you? But I love these. These have been great for streaming and playing any game. I usually play Valorant at Antonio Diaz 012. Had to hit the plug for the Twitch. You already know. But yes, I use this bad boy all the time, and I haven't looked back. I love the details here. The snowflakes twos and the little llamas. So cool. The Frozen Llama Edition. Ducky Mini 2 is definitely my favorite keyboard to date. I haven't seen any keyboard that comes even close, and I just love this keyboard. I don't know, I feel like whenever I play like way better. You guys tell me. Out. Oh my. I just want to give a big shout out to everybody who's been following the channel and supporting me, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If there's more that you want to know, leave it down below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. I really love this keyboard. You guys should definitely check out the Ducky Mini 2s. Check out different switches. I'm going to look to get new ones. I want to get like silver switches or like even brown switches, just because I love keyboards. I don't know, ever since I got into streaming and going on live and just doing all that good stuff, getting into computers, I didn't even know what I was doing at first, but I just fall in love with the whole process. Like the nice webcam, you know, the monitor, got the Alienware, you know, got the full spec'd out computer right here from Nexus. You guys have the review down listed below, and I don't know, just having a really nice keyboard just makes the experience that much better on my fingers and just overall when I'm playing. I'm not any good at Valorant, I'm not gonna lie, I'm still trash water, but this makes it a lot better when I play. I tried other keyboards and I kept going back to this one. I can't help myself. Color combination, everything about it, super sexy. Beautiful thing. Woo! Alright guys, well, catch me on the next video. I love you guys. This is a quick little one for you. I'm trying to keep my videos short. I know they get really long, but here's the unboxing for the Frozen Llama Edition Ducky Mini 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, make sure to give me a like. Go ahead and follow me on Twitch. Check it out. I'm always live every other day, mainly on the weekends though too, and you know, it would mean a lot to your boy to see you there. So stop by, say hello, you know? You don't even have to do anything. Just say hi. Say, hey, I came from the YouTube video with the Frozen Llama keyboard. And who knows, maybe I'll be giving one away eventually at some point. Maybe when we hit 1K, giveaway. Frozen Llama Edition, maybe. You know, I love this thing, but I'd be down to give it away, a brand new one to you guys. So just let me know. There it is. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I love you. Red silent switches on these bad boys. Sounds so good. Hello. I'll see you guys later. Peace.